In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer data from a MacBook to a pendrive. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have any sort of external drive, flash drive, or pendrive, you can easily transfer any files or data from a MacBook. I'm using the MacBook Pro here as an example, but of course this will work with any model of MacBook. All that you have to do is plug the drive into any of the USB ports available on the MacBook to start. So plug them into any of the available USB ports. Once the drives have been plugged in, usually they will appear right on the desktop. If you don't see them here, you can open up Finder and you will also locate them at the left side of the screen. If they are still not being detected, it could be a problem with the flash drive itself. So try them out on another device to make sure that they aren't the problem. So in this example, it is a Kingston drive. You will see the total amount of storage and also how much is being used. Now, when you open up Finder or when you click on the drive, you will see all of its contents. So you might have a folder, you might have some documents, some files, or maybe it is completely brand new, so it is empty. Either way, all that you have to do now is drag any files from your MacBook. So you can go over to your desktop, you can go over to the documents, and then just drag and drop files. There is no secret. You can right-click a file and choose the option to cut or copy and then paste them here, or drag and drop using your mouse. It doesn't matter. So click and hold on any folder, any files, and drag them into the drive. Usually the drive is going to appear here at the left. So you just highlight them and drop them inside of this specific drive. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.